Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far, and welcome to this new video on Pepe 2.0. Again, I've been covering this daily for the last 3 or 4 days. And in this video, I just wanted to give you my thoughts on the current market structure, what to expect. Can we still have some sort of a rally from here? Because it's not looking too great, and I think most of you will agree with me on that. But that doesn't mean that it will not be great anymore. So we'll talk about that. Just in general, my view on Pepe 2.0 right now, but based on both the technicals and the fundamentals. So that's what we'll do in this video. But before we dive into that, as you can see from the top right there, I am a full-time trader. So if you want to receive daily crypto trades, profitable trades and trade setups and updates and stuff, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now onto Pepe 2.0. So we already talked about this yesterday, and I do want to have a little bit of a disclaimer. I have nothing against Pepe, but I might be a little bit more realistic than other people that you're watching on Pepe 2.0. I mean, I see a lot of people still calling it 10x, 100x, which, I mean, technically, obviously it's possible, but right now, if we're talking about real things that we see, what we see is that, first of all, we had a huge number of bearish confirmations, which were also expected. I mean, if you have looked at my updates in the last couple of days, I called this move down to this area. So just to say that. But apart from that, what you also see is that right now the volume is absolutely dropping down massively. Like where we topped out at around 165 million, we're now at 26 million, which is still a lot of money. But is it enough to really create a rally from here? It's going to be difficult. So those are the real fundamentals we see right now, real fundamentals and technical. So can we then still rally? Yes. Both technically we can still rally and also fundamentally, because if we get a big listing, well, only really Binance and Coinbase could do anything right now. But if we get a listing like that, what will happen is that we have two major resistance levels. First of all, around 14,000 and 15,000 right here. And then we have resistance right here at 17,000. If we get listed on Binance, we'll easily break above 17,000 and move back up to 25,000 at least, probably higher. So if you think that's going to happen, then that's your prediction. Personally, I don't think that's going to happen. I think the volume right now is too low. I think the market cap is not high enough. And I think there's too much pressure right now on Binance, I would say. So overall, what could still happen technically is right now we have this major support level coming up around 10,000, which is a big psychological support level, and it's also supported by the 200 EMA down here. So the only thing that could still happen to actually make us rally for some time is dropping down to 10,000. And then from there, we'll find support there. We'll find some strong support. But then from there, breaking above 14,000, that would actually cause a second rally up to at least 17,500 again. So this is actually realistic and something I could see happening, because I do expect some major support from 10,000. But overall, even if we get a rally like that, if we do not get a big Binance listing or anything, I do not see us breaking above 17,500. And I would say after that, it's more likely that we'll get some sort of a move back down to 10,000 and then drop down below that. So just for a summary, something like this is what I expect. A lot of lines, but it's like 10,000 is coming. I expect a lot of support from 10,000, but I don't expect a lasting bull rally. Then I think we'll drop down there, still find some support right here, and eventually I think we'll drop down. That's a bit of the long term. Short term, therefore I'm quite bullish, because I think we'll get some bearish momentum and then find some strong support at 10,000. So remember that if you want to be bullish on it. But for now, this is my full analysis on Pepe 2.0. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.